Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for linkedin.com and then log in your account. Once you've done that, just go ahead and click on your profile here at the upper part of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. And then here at the left side of your screen you can see visibility, so you just want to click on that. And here you can see blocking on the lower part of visibility of your profile and network, so you just want to click on blocking. And here you can see the person that you blocked, so just go ahead and click unblock. And then here you need to type your password, and now you can now you unblock that person. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.